So in this problem, we need to prove two inequalities. In part A, we need to prove that if x and y are non-negative numbers and x is less or equal to y, then x squared is less or equal to y squared. Let's see how to prove it. So first of all, since we know that both numbers are non-negative, that means that x is greater or equal to 0 and y is greater or equal to 0. Also, x is less or equal to y. So that means that x times x is less or equal to x times y. We know that the right side is greater because on the right side x is multiplied by greater number because we know that y is greater than x. Well, so that means that x squared is less or equal to xy. Now let's look at this from another side. So if we multiply y by x and if we multiply y by y, obviously the right side will be greater again because we know that y is greater than x. Then since y is multiplied by greater number on the right side is greater. So we get that xy is less or equal to y squared. So we can rewrite it as x squared is less or equal to xy, while xy is less or equal to y squared. So we get that x squared is less or equal to y squared. So we have proved the inequality. Well, now let's move on to part B. In part B, we need to prove that the square root of xy is less or equal to x plus y over 2. Well, we know that x minus y squared is greater or equal to 0 because we know that any number squared is non-negative. So x minus y squared is non-negative, and that means that we can rewrite it as x squared minus 2xy plus y squared is greater or equal to 0. So that means we will just add 4xy on both sides and we will get x squared plus y squared, then minus 2xy plus 4xy is plus 2xy is greater than or equal to 4xy. Well, now we can rewrite this part as x plus y squared is greater or equal to 4xy. Now let's take the square root of both sides of our inequality and we will get x plus y is greater than or equal to 2 times the square root of xy. So now we will divide both sides by 2 and we get that x plus y over 2 is greater than or equal to the square root of xy. And obviously we can rewrite it as the square root of xy is less or equal to x plus y over 2. So the inequality has been proven.